Welcome to the 47th annual meeting of the World Domination Forum. This year our theme is reshaping humanity through compliance and innovation. Our strategy moving forward centers on a three-pillar model: total surveillance, calibrated narratives, and a robust framework for algorithmic behavioral guidance. Behavioral well, what was I saying? Yes, alignment with the climate-centric behavioral pathways. I was told the train doesn't run through here.
Ignite, iron and fury, black smoke in the night, globalist fear, the train draws near.